Welcome to day 20 of our 30-day high-level mastery challenge. We're almost there, two-thirds finished. So today I want to speak about AI. All right. So every speaker, Saspreneur, were requested to have some kind of AI in it, but mine was more in the strategy. But I just wanted to mention that AI won't take your job, but a person using AI will. Yesterday, I finished a session for Australian Tamil Chamber of Commerce about AI tools in marketing, and I said the same thing, meaning you don't have to go all in and choose 10 or 20 different tools because we know thousands of tools are coming out every day. Okay, pretty much for the same purpose to help content creation become easier. So, in terms of marketing, pick and choose the tools that'll help you to save time, money, efforts, and get your message out there. So, for us, the best use case for our team is to give access to our team better AI tools because they're not from English speaking country. So if I give them one long form content, they would literally use multiple AI tools to chop it into short form contents, to convert it into blog post and newsletters and code post and LinkedIn post and whatever. So there are different tools that are available for different purposes. AI has become kind of integral to the operations anyways. Anything you want, you use ChatGPT, you use Manus, you use so many different tools every day to run your business operations. So today I want you to analyze what aspect of your business that you want to use a particular AI tool. Just choose one or two. Now I'm more skewed towards Manus than ChatGPT, so I use that a lot more. And in terms of video, VO3 is becoming more and more useful. And after Billie Jean taught us a lot of tools, now I'm into all these baby podcast videos and things like that we are making. My team is preparing that. So I think you just have to choose what works for you and you just have to do it. So pick one or two AI tools that'll help you to create content consistently to market your business and go all in and either learn that tool or delegate it to a team member that can actually do the task. So your marketing is happening parallelly as you are wanting to grow your business. If people don't know what you do, then obviously it's very, very hard to scale and succeed. So marketing and sales is very, very important. And that's one thing that differentiates a proper established business and an expensive hobby. So if you want to launch and scale a business and not an expensive hobby, you need to have the right marketing and sales techniques. And AI tools can help you do that. If you need them, just get back to me and I will list out all the tools that I use in my sales and marketing in our operations. All right. I'll see you all tomorrow.